Are you tired of scrolling through hundreds of emails to find one important message? Learn how to organize your Gmail with labels in under 3 minutes. First, I'll show you how to create labels and sublabels. Then, you'll apply them to emails. Finally, you'll manage your labels like a pro. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then, locate the Labels section on the left sidebar to create a new label. Go ahead and click the plus icon to add a new label. Now, enter a name for your new label. If you want it to be a sublabel, check the Nest Label Under option. Then select a parent label from the dropdown if needed. Click Create, and your new label will appear in the left sidebar. To apply a label to an email, first select or open the email. Then click the 3 dots icon at the top bar. Hover your mouse over Label As in the drop-down menu. Check the labels you want to apply. You'll see the label we just created and click on it. That email is now moved to the label you chose, and that's how you create, use, and manage Gmail labels. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.